everyone, what is up? And today we are going to be playing some Find the Fridges. So we have a basic fridge. So we need to click, okay, so first, where do we go? We need to go somewhere. Oopsies. We need to know where to go so we can find some fridges. Let's go into Dojo first. It won't be too hard. Yeah, guys, you know I suck at hobbies. Oh! I told you I was bad at hobbies. Oh! Hold on, my graphics. There. Click on this one. My very first fridge! The ninja fridge. So let's go to the chessboard. What's a chessboard? Oh, look! We have a chess fridge. Yeah, chess fridge. Okay. 3 out of 106 fridges found. Why there's so much zombies in this game? What? I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. Y'all saw it. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. Well, maybe I did touch it that time. But what? You guys have any tips on doing hobbies? Cause I suck at it. I completely suck. Okay, so let's go teleport. Wait, maybe there's one down here. Yeah, the water fridge. I'm just guessing these names right now. The sewers. What's in the sewers? I wonder. What could be in the sewers? Oh no, is it a maze? Please, what is a maze? Wow. Okay, it's not a maze. This is amazing. Amazing. Get it? Amazing. This is amazing. Okay, why is there a knife there? What is going on in this sewer? There's a knife, Brad. No! Come on. I suck at hobbies. Even the easiest ones in the world. I suck at them. Oh! We're going somewhere else. Important legal work. Please burn. Is there anything? What? Painting fridge? What? Okay. No idea what that was about. Coffee fridge. I'm guessing this is fire fridge. Okay, where next? What? Is there anything here? Nothing? Okay, nothing. Wow, that was really nothing. That was really nothing full. Nothing full. Okay. Just close the trap, please. Okay, we've got the rich fridge. Oh, banana fridge. Very expensive office building. I can tell it's a... What? sprint in this game. Did I get it? Yes, helicopter fridge. Let's go. Cake World. Whee, Cake World. What's in Cake World? Rotten burger, $25. Click burger to buy. Okay. Oh! No, we died. We died, bro. We died, guys. We literally died from the rotten thing. Milkshake machine. Broken. Okay. No idea what happened to you. Hamburger, your soul? What? That doesn't make sense at all. Okay. Let me turn up my sensitivity a little. Maybe that's a little too fast. Yeah, that's fine. What? No, no way I'm gonna buy that. No way I'm gonna buy that. Yeah, no way I'm gonna buy that. Whoa. This is not Cake Land, this is Food Land. Wee. Oh. Let's just go down here. What's down here? Oh, the toxic gas. No, I don't want to die. Not tonight. Wee. Time these jumps. Wee. Whoa. Beans. A bean. That's one beanie fridge. Let's go in here first. There's gotta be something in here. Hungry fridge. What does hungry fridge have to say? I'm so very hungry. Order pizza. No way, I am talking to that scary bear thing. Wait, we need to ask him why he is 3D. I am so very hungry. Why are you 3D? I've eaten a lot of hamburgers. I can tell. SCP, Object Class Euclid. Biological hazard. Meow. What? What? How is that scary? How is that scary? Guys, how's that scary? That ain't scary, that's a cat. That one cat. Oh no! Come on. Ah! Ouch. Very painful. Come on! No! Yes! Did I get? Yes, winged fridge. Those look like they've been drawn by somebody. No, why is everything in obby? Why is almost everything in this game have to be in obby? Game developer, please make the obbies easier. Please, game developer, please make it easier. Hey, come on. No! I give up. I officially give up. Where's no wedge? What's in here? Frozen fridge. Wow. What's this guy doing? A walrus fridge. Why is there's this snowball? Snowball 1. Snowball 1. I really have to climb that? Okay. Let's go. It's climbing time. And now we have to go on this thing. I think there's something behind there. I'll come back there. Come on. Winter fridge. Can we make this jump? I'm not risking it. I'm going back on this thing. I'm not risking it. Nope. I'm not risking it. Is there any shift lock in this game? Ooh, a snowball. Snowball 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, I didn't see you there, buddy. Didn't see you there. Oh, snow fridge. Okay. There's one down here. Snowball 4. Where's Snowball 2 then? This guy over here probably freezing. 5 snowballs needed. Okay, we gotta look for snowballs. Snowballs! Give me those snowballs. Give me them. Okay. Oh, come on. Where are these? Where are these snowballs? Warning. Ice is very icy. Okay. Are you sure? What? This man just got trolled. I think I'm the one who just got trolled. Oh! I'm going back. Yes, there's a snowball. Over here. Get it. Snowball 2. Now I just need snowball 5. I just need snowball 5 now. Well, I have no idea where it is. Snowball 5. Should be in here somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is. One, 2, 3, 4. Epic snowman fridge. I'm tired of the cold weather. I'm going to the desert. The Wild West. Okay. My man is sus. Why is he not dressed up as Among Us then? If he's sus. Because his username or his display name is sus. That means he is sus. Pyramid obby. Pyramid maze. Let's do the maze actually. Is this a dead end or something? Was that a dead end? I don't know. That's probably a dead end, to be honest. Wow! I guess we just follow this trail. Where do we go? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Fridge Town. I'm just gonna go back to Fridge Town. Cause why not? Entrance buildings. Factory place thing. What? Why? Why? No! No, I died. No, I gotta time the one that goes backwards. No! No! Gosh darn it. Oh, no! I saw the last one. You gotta be kidding me. Yes. Made it. Construction fridge. Now we have to go to Fridge Mart. How to earn fridge coins. You can earn 5 fridge coins every minute. You can earn money when you complete an obby. You can earn money from finding fridges. Commons 10, uncommons 20, rares 40, epics 80, and legendaries 500. Okay, I'm guessing you were one? No. Okay, I'll just do whatever that is. Game Pass fridges do not count towards your total fridge count. Game Pass fridges do not count towards your total fridge count. They are just for fun. Fridge. Doge fridge. VIP Game Pass. MVP Game Pass. 8 Robux for a useless rubber duck. I'll take it. So I have a rubber ducky now. Fridges. Carrot fridge. Coin fridge. Head stack fridge. Dominus fridge. What you need, pal? You have any fridge hints? So you're looking for fridges, huh? Well, there are some good ones in my shop if you are willing to pay. No. This place is useless. Not at all. Can we go into the hospital? Yeah, we can. Wow, I'm not surprised you're the only one in here. The happy home of Robloxia. There's a random new... Find the fridges. Okay. Well, the point of finding fridges is useless because, like, why do you need so much fridges in this game? You can't even keep them in your house. Like, it's unbelievable. Can't even keep them in your house. Okay, there's gotta be one in here for sure. Can't click it. Okay. Yay! I'm on top of the fridge. Slushy wave. Slushy done. Oh, I almost spelled that wrong. Okay, let's go. Come on, get me back up. Wait, I can't get. Oh. Fridge Donald. Trophy room. Party fridge. What does the party fridge do? Just a party? Okay. 709 fridge coins. Okay, not bad. How do we get up? Okay, this way. Is there any shift lock? 60 fridges were required. I don't have 60 fridges. Ah! No! Okay, I went the wrong way. That's just amazing. That's very just amazing. Why am I even here? Come on, let me up. Come on, man. Come. This is a pretty sweet cake. What? Why did I just get a random fridge? 40 fridges required. I'm just gonna jump down on the cake. Oh, I missed. But okay, guys, this will be the end of the video. So please like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. Bye.